I looked for years to find one of these and nobody has them. There's none left over. Hey, Brent here from Older Home Specialists, and I wanted to do a tool review real fast. Check this out. This Sawzall that I got right here, when I started out 27 years ago, we were able to get these. We can't get them anymore. I looked for years to find one of these and nobody has them. There's none left over. You can get parts to repair them, but this is the Porter Cable Tiger Saw. And this specific Sawzall, this was so useful for us. This specific Sawzall, look at this. So this will lock in any position like this, but not only that, it spins 360 degrees like this. This saved me so many times underneath houses when I had to get in some specific areas. Now, bear in mind, battery tools were back then, but they weren't super, the efficiency of the batteries has gotten way greater over the years. But everybody knows that there are some times when you need the power of electricity. This is 11.5 amp saw. I mean, I used to use this to cut cast iron when I couldn't get a grinder in, or if the snap cutters wouldn't go in there. So it was totally random that I found this, but I can tell you, if anybody else has seen one of these, used one of these, or ever has the opportunity to buy one of these, buy it. Because I spent years looking for this and I randomly found something on Craigslist, and the guy was like, he wanted me to show up. My wife was going through the area and I said, just grab this. I talked to him on the phone. I said, just meet over and grab this. And he was like, I kind of want you to come to make sure that it's exactly what you thought. And I said, look, man, even if it's broken, I'll fix it. I'll take it. Dude, this thing is brand new. If you could feel the rubber on this, still has the owner's manual in it. I mean, this thing was brand new. Just, I mean, I'm telling you, just a needle in a haystack. But this Sawzall right here is got to be my favorite of all time.